Welcome back to the channel. On board a ship, communication is paramount, especially when navigating busy waters or facing an emergency. The primary tool for short-range communication is the VHF radio, and its lifeline to the outside world is the VHF radio antenna. But did you know ships often carry two of these crucial antennas, a main and an emergency? VHF stands for Very High Frequency. These antennas are typically tall, slender whips, designed to transmit and receive radio waves within the VHF spectrum. The main VHF antenna is the primary workhorse. It's usually located high up on the ship's mast or superstructure, ensuring it has the best possible line of sight for maximum range. When the bridge team wants to hail another ship, request pilotage, or communicate with a vessel traffic service, the main VHF radio transmits their voice through this antenna, and likewise receives incoming messages. Its operation is straightforward. Select the desired channel, press the transmit button, and speak. The antenna converts the electrical signals from the radio into radio waves for transmission and vice versa for reception. Now, why an emergency VHF antenna? This is a critical safety feature. Imagine a scenario where the main mast is damaged in a storm or a fire disables the primary electrical system. The main VHF antenna might become inoperable. That's where the emergency antenna comes in. It's often located separately, sometimes lower down or on a different part of the ship, and is typically connected to an emergency VHF radio that can run on its own dedicated battery power supply. Its function is to provide a vital, independent means of communication, particularly for distress calls, like a mayday or pan-pan, even if the ship suffers significant damage. Maintenance for both types of VHF antennas is crucial. Crew members regularly check the antenna whip for any signs of physical damage, bends, cracks, fraying, or discoloration due to UV exposure. The whip itself should be straight. Mounting integrity is paramount. The base where the antenna is secured to the ship must be robust. Checks are made for loose bolts, corrosion at the mounting points, or any instability that could cause the antenna to vibrate excessively or even break off in heavy weather. Cable inspection is equally vital. The coaxial cable connecting the antenna to the radio needs to be checked for kinks, cuts, crushing, or signs of wear, especially where it passes through bulkheads or is exposed to the elements. Waterproofing of these connections is essential to prevent water ingress. Finally, regular performance checks of the VHF radio system, which implicitly test the antenna, are part of the ship's safety management system. This might involve conducting radio checks with shore stations or other vessels to confirm clear transmission and reception. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.